back to another video. So today we're detailing an old, this car is a work car, so we have to take everything out. And as you can see, come closer, all this dirt. So today is gonna be a full detail of the inside. Yeah, just take that. So we're gonna take everything out, and then we're gonna process the detailing, you know? So yeah. And some water, and this is all dirty. We're just gonna wash it down, and yeah, just pour a little bit of Maguire soap, you know, best soap. That's about it. Then we just start washing it down. We're just gonna vacuum it and then use the vacuum extractor to get it all nice and brand new. So stay tuned for that. Stain removal, as you can see this patch here, it's been spilt, and yeah, so you just pour it on here. That's about it. It's a little damp. And then you just then we do that a few times, rub it in and pour it again, maybe 3 times. And then we use the vacuum extractor and suck it up. Yes, all finished with vacuuming and wiping everything down. The ground, the doors, everything. All clean. Now we just have to put the carpets back and everything how it was, and we'll be finished. As you can see, we added this board. Like the old one's over there, it's all cracked. You see the film there, it's all cracked. So we added a new one, and it's all clean. You can't really get rid of this because it's old. This car's really old. It's been used for 5 years for work, and probably even more. It's an old car, has like already 200,000 miles on it, maybe even more than that. and it's all nice and clean. You see the carpets, distractions. So hope you enjoy this video. Share this video if you're new, and subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned.